Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izzul Islam bin Muhammad Jahid and my metric number is B09202236. Today I will be explaining about the experiment 2, that is A, straight line water configuration, and B, loop water hose configuration. Okay. For the content of the experiment, our group used the following equation. That is, we calculate the area. We use the equation for area equal to pi r square, and for the flow rate we use flow rate, that is Q equal volume over time, and for the velocity equation we use velocity, that is U equal to Q, that is flow rate over A is area. Okay. For the straight line water configuration, we use a 2 meter pipe and make 10 holes. The distance between the holes is 0.2 meter. Okay. For the experiment setup of the straight loop configuration, we set up our experiment as the picture shown. For the data, this is the data that we get from our straight line configuration experiment. That is hole 1, hole 2, hole 3, hole 4 and hole 5. Okay. Okay, for the explanation of the result, one is that with straight line configuration, the average flow rate is 4 meter cube per second. This number 2 is, this means a higher volume of water to be dispersed from the pipe over time. Next, the velocity is average at 6 meter per second, also higher, means the water will travel at a higher speed. Okay. For the B part, that is loop water hose configuration, this is the our setup for the pipe. We use 1 meter pipe and we made 5 holes between them. The distance between the hole is 0.2 meter. Okay. This is the experiment setup for the loop hose, as shown in the picture. Okay. This is the data that we get. Correction, we made 10 holes and the holes between the distance between the hole is 0.2 meter. This is the data for hole 1 until 10. Okay. The explanation of the result is that the flow rate is at an average is at 2.9 meter cube per second, and the velocity is 4.2 meter per second, which means the water will travel slower than straight line configuration. The flow rate is lower and the volume of water dispersed over time is lower than straight line configuration. That is for my presentation. Thank you.